What is up to my Be-Lit people? We lit today, we feeling good. Today we're headed to Nashville, Tennessee, the 615, to check out some events we got going on. And first we gotta wash this old truck up. I've had this truck, guys. I bought it brand new a couple months ago. It was new to me. It was barely had any miles on it at all. I normally don't go through these car washes. I like to, cause I'm really high setting up in this truck. You can tell from my dash is like at his bed. So, and plus it's really rough on the paint job, but all right, here we go. I'm super weary about this. I don't like this at all. It's such a tight squeeze. Here we go, man. Here we go. Oh, it barely missed the mirror. Oh, it barely missed the mirror. Oh, man, I got such anxiety. Let's see what the backup camera's doing. All right. Gosh, this thing is so huge, man. Oh, don't hit the mirror. Don't hit the mirror. Woo! I'm gonna have anxiety by the time this is over with. Let me see what's going on. Okay. We got this. We got it. Oh, here we go. Oh. Let's get it. I will not do this again. Let's see how good the car wash did. Man, this thing sucks. Look. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, overall, it looks all right. But look at this. This is dirt. I mean, looks better, but goodness gracious. That was a total waste of money. So, granted, it was only $9, but all it did was wash the excess dirt off. I mean, it didn't even get it clean, man. You know, well, oh well. Y'all ready for it? Ready for it? Woo! Let's get it. All right, guys, we're here. It's called Throwback Thursday. We're gonna go ahead and see what they got. Maybe cop, maybe not. All right, guys, I'm here with Anthony, man.
What's going on,
my dude right here, man. He's taking me through the store, and we're gonna, man, they got some fire, man. Here, bro. What's these right here?
I'm pretty sure those are military fours.
Those aren't for sale though, right? For display.
Just for display, and then you got the bread fours right here. These are from 1999. I'm pretty sure.
Wow, man.
You can tell like it's from the what's it called, the glue.
Yeah.
The midsole like coming off.
Those have definitely been beat up, but they're fire. Now these right here, man. What's the story on them, man?
And I really
dude brought them in. No, these right here, dude brought them in.
You said he brought them in. Yeah, I think he just gave them for my uncle to hold as a display.
Let me see the price on them, man. Like this is OG right here.
Right here.
So Foot Locker, $74. Wow, man. Like it's like double that now, triple.
Yeah, it's like if you wanted to buy like new ones, you had to pay like $300 at least.
That's crazy, man. So you guys got vintage and everything in here, huh?
We got all the clothes, baby shoes.
Baby shoes. They got a nice little wall over here. They got the Dunks. We got Dunks. We got Jordans, Champagnes. These are samples?
Yeah, these are samples.
Show me the size of them things real quick. Wow.
And then if you take a picture with the flash, like one shoe is different than the other.
All right, guys, we're at our second stop. This is called Red Rose Hype. We're gonna see what they got here. I know they got some heat. I was told, and I was sitting here by the last store we just came from. So let's see what they got. All right, guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. We're going to do this review real quick and make sure you have your notifications on. And if you're new here, guys, I appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe and you will get these videos. I drop several a week. try to give you what you want. If there's anything you want to see, drop it in the comment. I will try my best to make it happen. And let's get it. As we are at the crib and we're going to go over everything we got. We got bags, we got shoes, we got all kinds of stuff. So let's jump right into it. All right, this bag is falling apart. It has so much stuff in it. So right away, we got something that, wait for it. Something that I went for last year when it first came out and my order got lost. I never got it, so I had to treat myself with the 350, size 10.5. Dun da da da, dun da da dun da da. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. The Yachills. I think it's pronounced that. Yachill. I say Yachill. But anyway, basically the What the Yeezy. I love these things, man. This is a fire colorway. The 3M on the laces. And the reflectors aren't going for much more above the non-reflectors on these. You guys have seen these a million times. This is a gently used pair. I didn't care. I could have paid a little bit more for the new ones, but I'm throwing them right on feet, so it is what it is, man. I wear my kicks, so it is what it is. These are fire, man. So got these finally. I was kind of sour that Adidas lost my order. And they're like, we'll give you a 20% off on your next order, but it can't be used on Yeezy. I was like, does me no good. So that's that. We'll put that to the side. And we also got a shirt from the Red Rose Hype. It is called Places and Faces. It's 3M. It is dope. It's a nice little pickup I did there. We're going to be doing a video there later with the owner talking about her shop. It's a nice little tucked away boutique. They got Travis Scott, Off-White, Bape, you name it. The next we have, let's go over the Jordans. We got some Jordans. This was that Throwback Thursday. We got, you know, I'm a big 6 guy, so we had to get the Jordan 6s retro. I love the black. Goes to pretty much anything. You guys have seen these shoes. Like I said, I'm not gonna beat a lot about it. I just want to show you what all I got. Still in the wrapper. Got a good deal on these. Barely used. Now these were retail. I guess the sticker's not on there, but oh yeah, $190. 10.5s, and they're fire. So I had to get these. Now we also got something else. Let's see what else we got. You know, you see this dunk box back here? So we got some dunks. Oh yeah, we got some dunks. I call them the Californias, man. They're fire. So Nike SB High, size 10. I'll give you this. You can maybe see this a little better. This is from a place called Throwback Thursday. They have a lot of vintage and used and some new stuff. I love SBs. I have a lot of SBs. I haven't brought them out yet. I'm going to do maybe a SB series. So these right here, guys, fire for the collection. Everybody's getting into SBs now. I wish they weren't, so I can just keep getting my SBs at a decent price, but looks like it's going to go up. So Throwback Thursday. I'll drop the links in the bottom. And at this place and that place, I spent. We also had a big come together donation for the people, the tornado victims. We lost 25 people in Nashville, 5 under the age of 13. Very sad situation. So prayers for Nashville, please. So we donated to some of that to help the people out. But we're coming together and rebuilding. But we do need a lot of prayers and thoughts, please. Going forward, we have a Supreme. We have a Supreme Throwback Thursday shirt. I always try to show love to the boutiques I go to, and I try to grab the shirts up there to show them some love. I really like doing that. We have a Travis Scott. We have a Travis Scott shirt right here. And that's cool is instead of price tags, they got baseball cards with the price. I paid $45 for this shirt. This is a Travis Scott Astro World Vintage Festival shirt. It's pretty lit. It says the sights are vivid. Festival one, and this is Delaware. So they had 2 of these. The other one was like a blue. I got this colorway. And we have another one from the Rooted in Nashville. Rooted is a really dope store. These guys started it a few years back. The anniversary was last night. Jeff Staple came there and dropped his Black Pigeon Dunks a while back when they first came out. And then the next day went to China and did a big reveal over there. So they're, I think, a tier 1 sneaker shop, and they get the Off-Whites. They get the Dunks. They get everything. I'll be doing a review there with the owners there as well in the upcoming videos. But this is just a Rooted paying tribute to their store. Actually, all the proceeds went to the tornado victims. Rooted's doing a really good thing. Throwback Thursday is doing a really good thing. Red Rose Hype is also helping out. There's a lot of people lost everything down here in Nashville, guys. So prayers for Nashville. And also, I got this little MGK shoe cleaner. I was buying some shoes, I guess, a few Saturdays ago, and the guy was like, "Okay, give me $50 for this." And I said, "All right, well, you know, $50, I'll check it out and do a review." He wants me to do a review on camera and see how good this works, and you know, drop some links or maybe some discounts. That's coming up soon. So, guys, it's just a big haul. I just didn't want to spend a lot of time on each shoe. Got the Dunk Highs, got the Jordan 6s, got the Yeezys, got the Supreme shirt, got the Rooted shirt, got the Travis Scott shirt, got the Faces and Places and Faces shirt. A lot of fire stuff, man. I did not get the UNCs today. I slept on them. I figured after this, plus I got something really cool coming from StockX you will be seeing in the days to come. Hopefully tomorrow. Actually, it takes a couple days. Probably by the middle of the week should be here. So I got a nice little package coming from there. And I really wish I'd have got those UNCs. I got the Pines the other day. I could have swapped it up. I would have. But, you know, it is what it is. I'd rather get the PE exclusive. But, man, they're going for like 4 racks right now. So we'll see what happens. We're also going to get them Strange Loves. We want those Strange Loves. My wife and I want those. And the purple ones, the plums. You're going to get those too. But, you know, since I did all this, I was like, you know what? I'm not even going to go get those UNCs. I could have got them, and when they were selling out online, this is the first time I haven't picked up something Saturday since Black Friday of last year. So it's kind of like I'm in like withdrawal mode for not getting them, especially how they were pretty limited. So I'm kicking myself in the butt for that. But it is what it is, man. There's always another sneaker. There's always another release day. And you know what? It is what it is. So till next time, let's get it and love each other and be lit.